Please, I beg
Hey,
you.
hey, man, we got an Ezgo here, gas, EFI. I just want to show you, I'm going to show you how to test the fuel pump and the fuel relay all at one time, instead of breaking it down to individual components. All right, hold up on Big Trav. What we're going to do is test voltage on the plug for the fuel pump. So what I'm going to do is take my black lead, stick it inside this corrugated wire here, stick it like that. Put your voltmeter on volts DC. That's V with a straight line. That's alternating current because of wavy line, but we're going volts with a DC. Volts with a straight line for direct current. So what we're going to do is, yeah, I hit the wrong button. Calm down. All right, can you see it?
Mm-hmm.
Make sure you can get it.
Mm-hmm.
Make sure you got to stand on this bad boy. Look at that, boy, we done did it. I'm gonna touch it to the main positive and negative, make sure we got battery voltage. And of course the meter's on something else. All right. Can you see, because last time I watched the thing, you couldn't read the voltage. Can you read it? Well, you gotta zoom in a little bit. All right, now I'm gonna take it over here, you go on your fuel pump plug. You got the black and the red, we're gonna unplug it. Got a black lead on the main negative. The red lead we're going to put on the red wire. All right, right now when you touch it, you have nothing. All right, turn the key on. Don't hit the gas, turn the key on. When you turn the key on, you have voltage on the red wire. All right, so then what we're going to do is put the black lead, excuse me, we'll put the red lead on the main positive. Then we're going to test battery voltage, make sure we got good connection. 12 volts. And then we're going to check voltage on the ground wire, which is the black wire here. All right. Now turn the key off. Now on the ground side, which is the black wire, you're going to have constant voltage all the time. If you don't have constant voltage here, check your computer, which is under your throttle body. It's got an ECU under here. It's made into the throttle body. If you don't have a ground here, and normally when this don't have a ground, the coil don't have a ground, nothing has a ground on the car, replace the ECU. If you don't have a ground here, but have a ground on the coil, then you might have a bad wire or something like that. But normally it's the ECU because it kills the ground to all components. So, all right, so we got let's check it again. So we got a ground, yep, we have ground voltage with the key off, right, Jerry?
Yep.
All right, so we're going to take the black lead, stick it back in the ground wire, and we got 12 volts. And then we're going back to the red wire here. So I can get in there. Turn the key off, turn the key on. When you turn the key on, you get 12 volts to begin with. Now what it does, watch it. Turn the key off. I'm gonna plug it in. Turn the key on. See you have voltage. Let's see if it dies down. All right, now what it does, when you turn the key on, the fuel pump comes on right away. All right, that's why you have voltage. When you hit the gas, it is supposed to activate the relay and then it turned the fuel pump on. But now you see the fuel pump just turned off because it reached pressure now, so it shut off. Now once he hits the gas, this wire will come back on and show 12 volts. If you hit the gas and have no voltage, you want to check your fuel pump relay, which is that, and your fuel pump fuse. All right. If you check them and they're good, replace the ECU. If you don't check them and they're not, and you got voltage there but it don't work, replace the relay. All right, hit the gas. And you can see there, crank it up. You can see right there you have voltage.
Welcome to break.
Now watch it again. We do it one more time. It just shut off, which means it reached pressure. All right, man, stay tuned. We'll prove some more.